Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at something very simple but very interesting. This is just a normal radish, the same radish we use in the kitchen for salad or cooking. But today, instead of eating it, we are going to explore what it looks like under the microscope. First, I am cutting the radish using a regular kitchen knife, just a fresh slice from the top side. Now I am taking a very small piece from the slice. For microscopic observation, the thinner the sample, the better the light can pass through it. So I am carefully using a small knife. You can even use a pen knife to gently scrape off a very thin layer. This part requires patience. If the sample is too thick, light won't pass through properly and everything will look blurry or dark under the microscope. Actually, I am preparing 3 different samples. Each one has slightly different thickness. Why? Because it's difficult to get the perfect thickness in one attempt. So, by making 3 samples, I increase the chance of getting at least one ideal thin section. Now, I am placing this piece onto a clean glass slide. You can see there's some natural moisture from the radish itself. That's usually enough, but sometimes I add a tiny drop of water to help spread the sample evenly. Now I am gently placing a cover slip on top. This helps flatten the sample and prevents air bubbles. If there is extra water on the edges, I am now using the tissue paper to carefully absorb the extra water. This keeps the slide clean and prevents water from entering the microscope stage. Now the slide is ready. Let's place it under the microscope. And there it is. At this magnification, you can already see that the radish is made up of tightly packed plant cells. They look like small, brick-like structures arranged next to each other. The thick outer boundaries are what give structure and firmness to the radish. That's why radish feels crunchy when we eat it. It's because of these rigid plant cell walls. Inside some cells, you may notice lighter and darker regions. The large central area is usually the vacuole, which stores water and nutrients. Since radish is a root vegetable, many of its cells are specialized for storage. If the sample is slightly thicker, you will notice it becomes less clear. That's why preparing multiple samples was important. The thinnest section gives a blessed clarity and detail. It's fascinating to think that something so ordinary in our kitchen is actually made up of thousands of organized microscopic structures working together. This is the hidden world inside a simple radish. If you enjoyed this microscopic exploration, let me know what vegetable or fruit should I examine next.